Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make ghee pongal like Sharavana Bhavan at your home. So for the ghee pongal, what you need, here I took 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal, and I washed the rice and the moong dal and I put it in the big vessel. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 5 cups of water into this. So I added 5 cups of water into this, and into this I'm going to add some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your ghee pongal. And I'm going to pressure cook this one for up to 4 whistles, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and we have to cook for 4 to 5 whistles. So my rice is perfectly cooked, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mash the rice and the dal very nicely, and I'm going to do tempering also for this ghee pongal. So for the tempering, so take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, ghee, not oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, because we are making the ghee pongal. And in this I'm going to add some cumin seeds. So 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and into this I am going to add some black pepper. So here I am adding some black pepper, little bit guys, not too much. So 1 to 2 teaspoon of black pepper and some fresh curry leaves. So I added some fresh curry leaves, and I am going to add the hing powder, and I added some cashews. If you want to avoid the cashew, you can avoid, but it gives the nice crunchy taste in the ghee pongal. And if you seen in the restaurant, they added cashew nut. So yeah, so I'm going to mix all these things together. So this is very easy recipe, and you can make it for the breakfast. And for the side dish, here I am making the eggplant chutney, we can say. This is little bit of tanginess and a little bit of sweetness. So yeah, it has to be thick. It will take some time. Or you can prepare sambar, or you can have this pongal with any chutney, that is the red chutney or coconut chutney. So it's time to serve in the plate. What you have to do, you have to take a small bowl like this and apply some ghee inside, or you can take katori. So this is how they serve in the hotel. It's very hot, be careful. So you have to put in the plate, in the serving plate like this. So I'm going to remove this katori like this. So can you see how it came? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this eggplant . So this is called gotsu in South India, guys, and we usually put it in the top of the pongal, and very tasty. So yeah, so as I said, you can have this pongal with any sambar or even with the chutney. So this is a quick video of how to make ghee pongal at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.